If you're looking for an affordable alternative to cable, Sling TV is one of the most popular live TV streaming services available in 2026. It offers live news, sports, entertainment, and lifestyle channels with flexible subscription plans, allowing you to choose the content that matters most to you. But is Sling TV worth it in 2026? Let's take a closer look. Unlike traditional cable, Sling TV streams everything over the internet. That means you don't need a cable box or satellite dish. All you need is a compatible device and a stable internet connection to start watching live television from home or while you're on the go. One of Sling TV's biggest advantages is its flexible plans. Instead of paying for hundreds of channels you may never watch, Sling lets you choose between different packages such as Sling Orange and Sling Blue, or combine both for a larger channel lineup. Each plan is designed for different viewing preferences, including sports, entertainment, and family programming. The channel selection includes many well-known networks. Depending on your plan, you can access channels covering news, movies, sports, lifestyle, kids programming, and popular entertainment. Sling also offers optional add-on packages that let you expand your subscription with extra sports, international, movie, or lifestyle channels. Another useful feature is Cloud DVR. Sling TV includes cloud recording, allowing you to save your favorite shows, movies, and live sporting events to watch later. This makes it easy to keep up with your favorite content even if you miss the live broadcast. Sling TV works on a wide variety of devices. You can watch using smart TVs, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Chromecast, Android TV, Google TV, Android phones, iPhones, tablets, web browsers, Xbox devices, and many other supported platforms. This makes it easy to continue watching whether you're at home or traveling. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can browse the live TV guide, search for specific programs, create favorite channels, and receive personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. One thing to keep in mind is that local channels are more limited than on some competing services. Depending on where you live, you may need an over-the-air antenna or another streaming service to access certain local ABC, CBS, NBC, or Fox stations. Channel availability varies by location. Pricing is another area where Sling stands out. It remains one of the most affordable live TV streaming services, making it a great option for people who want live television without paying the high monthly cost of traditional cable. So, is Sling TV worth using in 2026? If you're looking for a flexible, affordable live TV service with customizable channel packages, cloud DVR, and support for nearly every streaming device, the answer is definitely yes. While it may not include every local channel, it offers excellent value for viewers who want to replace cable without overspending. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, letting us know if Sling TV is your favorite live TV streaming service.